Hi everyone, I'm Erin and I'm a speech pathologist at Therapy Care. Today I wanted to highlight some information regarding speech and language skills at the preschool level. So language development is so much more than just learning first words or how big a child's vocabulary is. There are many other areas that are important to look into. So the age of 3 to 5 years old is a super important time since this is typically the age when kids enter school. And many times this is when parents are first alerted to a potential language disorder or speech delay, since the child is having to function in different environments with other kids and perform more structured activities. They also are becoming more independent and you are expected to use communication in various ways. So this tends to reveal areas of weakness if a child is behind in speech and language development. At this age, academic vocabulary becomes a little bit more important. They are expected to start knowing some of their colors, shapes, letters, and numbers around 3 to 4 years old. Also around this age, they should be able to ask and answer various questions that start with words like why, where, what, and who. We also want to look at their grammar. Are they able to appropriately use pronouns like I, you, it, they, this, he, she? They also should be able to start using plurals correctly. For example, being able to state that they see 2 babies or horses. Are they marking that plural at the end of the word, or are they just saying, I see 2 horse? They should be able to speak in sentences consisting of 4 or more words, and they should be able to explain events that happened during their day. At ages 4 to 5 years old, children start to understand words that indicate time and sequencing. So like the words today, tomorrow, yesterday, or first, next, last. They should be able to follow more extended directions as well. They should be easily understood when they are speaking to other people, and they should be able to start telling stories. They should be able to keep conversations going and participate in conversations. Around this age, kids will be able to change the way they talk based on the listener. So for example, they speak differently when they talk to a baby versus an adult. There are lots of things you can do to help support your preschoolers' communication skills at home. So reading books with them and having them answer questions as you go along and have them retell their favorite part of the story. You can be modeling by speaking in complete sentences and using correct pronunciation of words. You can engage in pretend play with them and play age-appropriate board games and matching games. But if your preschooler is struggling with any of the skills I mentioned earlier, speech therapy can help. So please reach out to us if you have any concerns or questions. Thank you so much for listening.